Today's topic is another in the series all about the digital transformation of our workspace. Our title is Integrating TSN for Deterministic Communication at the Control Level. We'll be using examples from the automation, manufacturing, and semiconductor industries. We want to speak to the benefits of integrating OT and IT in this way for things like time-stamped information and advanced analysis for edge AI. The coexistence of multiple protocols across a single trunk for reduced infrastructure, and optimized device performance for advanced control. So we'll look at the pain points that are driving this TSN transformation, as well as we'll look at what parameters we need to consider when making that transition. And then finally, we'll see how this transformation is sparking new innovation in manufacturing. Folks, don't forget to click the link to join our premiere day. You'll be the first to see it.